I show you how I play Combat Master. Oh, I forgot to off my internet. Salam, here I come. Let's go play. I'ma show you my gameplay. I am pro at these. And I'm not hacking. It's impossible to hack here. Wow! I'ma show you how to play this game. Oh, he killed me. Nice. Easy for noobs. And I am a noob here. I am noob. For no reason. I don't know why. It's an offline game because I don't have an offline game. So this is only I had. Oh, nice. I am on top 2. Now I have shotguns. Now let's shoot someone. May nagpapatay sa akin sa likod. Wanna know why I like this game? Yo, that scared me. So guys, look, I am in top 1. You know I am good at this game. Look, look. Ay, kakainis. Hindi ko nakita yan ah. Hindi kasi nakakarinig mabuti yung cellphone ko. Ay, sniper na tayo guys. Sniper. Easy shot. Ni. Woo! Yo! Chill. Ay, ang hirap mag-sniper guys. Skip ko muna. Maghanap ako. Headshot. I'm staying here. Camping. Camping tayo guys. Camping. Hirap kasi ng sniper. Lo, may M4 ka siya. Feeling. Hindi ako jealous, no? Lo, namamatay ako. Maghanap tayong enemy. Yeah. Ay, bulag ako. No, I didn't see that. Ang bilis nila mag-breed. Naka-master mode ako. Pwede ka mag-expert. Yeah, you. Oh yes, napatay ko yun. Aha. This is oy, last na ito. Ang hirap na itong baril. Yo, namatay ako ulit. So Kyrie, if you're watching this, like and subscribe na sa YouTube channel ko. Ay, sayang. Hirap na itong patayin. Ang hirap na itong baril. Alam nyo, pangit na itong baril. Hindi. Ayun, gumagana na. See? Easy game.